Many successful internet marketers utilize the JVZoo platform, both to sell their own products and to promote other marketers' products as affiliates. It is free to register an account that will allow to sell and/or promote others' products as an affiliate. If you purchase other internet marketers' offers that are using JVZoo as their platform, you can also access your purchase history and the products you purchased via this account. To register for a JVZoo account, go to https://www.jvzoo.com/auth/register and fill out the requested information. You will need to provide the name you wish to be known as, your display name, your email address, your password, confirmation of your password, and your country. The email address you choose to use should be one that you check regularly, as this is where your confirmation will be sent, plus will also be where notable affiliate offers for you to promote and other information will be sent. For sellers, JVZoo gives you the ability to create unlimited buy buttons and add as many products or webinars as you wish to JVZoo's product library. You will never be charged a fee for adding more products or webinars. You can a virtually unlimited amount as your business grows. For affiliates, JVZoo provides tools and training to help you earn more commissions from your affiliate marketing efforts. Promoting other marketers' offers can help you to bring in revenue more quickly while you work to create your own offers, which can often lead to even greater profits. JVZoo has become one of the more prominent online marketing platforms over the last several years. With its growing importance in the online community, it has established connections with many leading payment, webinar, and autoresponder services and providers, including PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, GoToWebinar, Aweber, GetResponse, and more. Thus, JVZoo integrates seamlessly with these providers so that their services and products work very easily with JVZoo, enabling you to focus more on your product or affiliate promotions rather than worrying about whether different technologies will work together or not.